This video is sponsored by Pepsi and Coca-Cola, and it's the new Pokemon Sword and Shield expansion pass. So be sure to like and subscribe. Hello guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gyrados, one of the many Pokemon that can Mega Evolve, and one of the prime Pokemon from the Kanto region. Well, shall we get started? And okay, so when starting with Gyarados, you must always start with the eyes. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his crest shape on his forehead, and then the gills and other stuff. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his head here. There's his mouth. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his really long tongue. Okay, it's not really that long, but seriously. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his whisker right here. His whiskers are really, really long and pointy. There. There's his head. Next up, I just gotta draw his other body here. Okay, next, you see Gyarados' body is really long, so be sure to do this. There's his tail. Be sure to be on your guard. There's his tail here. Gunk. And make sure his tail is long and thin. And that's how you draw a Gyarados. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.